Welcome everyone to the first agenda of Dr.iZaG's world. Here we will be answering and going through this agenda, that is, what is this portal? This portal was developed for our own products. Firstly, because our products had very tall claims and had very good benefits, we do not want it to get suppressed between all the other fake claims that few companies has. Okay, so in the hope to actually value our products and to the best person to see that benefits are the doctors, because only they can understand, because the reason is we cannot publish it in open portals, because currently we are facing a lot of issues. Like in common search engines, you type anything and civilians understand something else. Only a medical person can truly understand what the symptom was. So considering which, we added a tab in our website named Dr.iZaG's world, in which a doctor can enter and check our research as well as the claims. All the claims that we do on our label and on our brochure are all backed by government approved research papers only, not by just ours. So that made us a lot unique, and we wanted to stand apart from all the different brands, so they can truly understand what's the quality and what's the content they are getting. So coming next is, when we showed this to the doctors, we got a very positive approach. Although we were a nutraceutical brand, it was for our nutraceutical brand, although we are a group of departments, still on this nutraceutical brand, allopathy doctors supported us a lot, firstly. Secondly, they also were very positive and also appreciated a lot for this separate tab option on our website, especially for doctors, because doctors are the best person to evaluate all this research. Okay, because civilians can get a little confused. Secondly, doctors liked it so much that out of four doctors told us that they had their own good inventions or good remedies or good techniques or good research, in which they told they also need a place like this where they can also put their research on. Secondly, few doctors also asked us our help for the documentation, because they were very impressed by our documentation. So considering which, we started this portal named Dr.iZaG's world. When we were making this portal, we also got an opportunity to fix more features, fix more problems in doctors' life, like also not just research, also second opinion, also knowledge world. So second opinion is a place where doctors can take second opinion of each other while staying at the comfort of their desk. We made this website, the best version is for the computer or the PC or the laptop. The reason is, nowadays each and every doctor are prescribing using their PC, laptop or computer. Okay, so it will be very easy for them to just copy paste and just change the tab and paste it over there and take the second opinion. Secondly, now we'll also share you what the features are and why you should join Dr.iZaG's world. Firstly, name itself said, where the doctor and iZAG is together for a better world. Okay, so next, it is for the research, it is for the second opinion, it is for the knowledge world. In the research page, what you can share your research, you can share your suggestions about the new surgeries, new medicines, new treatment methods or new remedies, anything, or new disease, new viruses that you discovered. Secondly, you can share second opinion to any place in the world where there is another doctor requesting you the one, or you can take one second opinion, depends. Third, there are amazing privacy features. If by any or many reason a doctor thinks that he should not share his name, okay, so we have the option. We have provided a unique username to each and every doctor. That will be once in a lifetime we provide that unique username. So it's your responsibility to hide it from anyone else. Whenever you choose to select your username, your identity, your DP would be removed. Okay, it will be posted without your DP, just your username and your degree. Okay, so only we know that who the person actually is, and we will not reveal it unless and until any rules are broken or any legal pressures we are faced. Okay, secondly, here you can also have cross department research. Okay, so before this I would like to clear one thing. Whenever I say doctors from now, I mean veterinary doctors, human doctors. Also, more clarification, in also human we have BPT, MBBS, BDS, MDS, everywhere. BNYS, BAMS, BHMS. Everyone that is considered as a doctor according to the medical council, they all are welcomed over here. Okay. Secondly, and most important feature is like you can research together. All the doctors, like veterinary doctors, are researching with you together in your research, human researches, and you like cardio, neuro, nephro, liver, everything is like almost many places we are same. So it will be very helpful if we help each other across the departments. Okay. Secondly, freedom of speech and research. So here you don't have to worry about anything. Okay, just make sure. Also, this also has one responsibility to you all guys, the doctors. The reason is, when we are giving freedom of speech to everyone, that means anyone can post any of their ideas, any of their suggestions. That includes, now you have to be responsible when you apply it. Okay, so all documents and all research that you study over there, second opinions you get over there, it is your responsibility to verify it before implementing it. So that's it from our side about the second opinion and all the responsibilities. Secondly, here no civilians will be allowed to enter, so allowing you a full freedom of speech. The reason why you cannot post on other social medias, because if by any reason a civilian watches your under research study which is yet to be approved and misunderstands and applies, and if any mishaps, anything can happen. So we know that's the worry. So that's the reason here no civilians are allowed. You can post anything, your consent, the fear of the side effects, anything. Okay, so now would like to tell everyone to welcome on board. A lot of features are still pending, but on the next video, our second video, that will be login and registration. Slowly we are revealing the key features and benefits. Stay tuned, click on the next button for login and registration. Thanks you.